Hello, I'm in a 2017 Ford Expedition, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust between miles and kilometers, as well as your Fahrenheit and Celsius for your display. So first, just start the vehicle and make sure this is all loaded. When this is, depending on whatever screen you're on, we'll go to Settings, and then from here, we'll do General. And then here we can change from miles to kilometers. And you can see in real time it updates because now it's showing kilometers here. And then we'll switch this back to miles. And again, you can see now it's in miles. And then the same process for Fahrenheit here to Celsius, or Celsius back to Fahrenheit. But that's it. I hope that was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.